2099년 누군가를 기다리고 있는 남자에게 한 소녀가 모습을 드러냅니다.
What sort of mess have you gotten yourself into now, Elisa?
You mean, what sort of mess have you got me into?
What are you up to, Elisa?
Saving the world.
Our world is long past saving. I thought that was always your point.
But I didn't say our world.
그렇게 의미심장한 말과 함께 화면은 67년 전으로 돌아가는데요.
There you go. And I made you a sandwich. I left it in the fridge. Can't keep losing weight, Mama. You're gonna end up in the hospital again.
몸이 아픈 어머니를 간호하며 지내는 플린은 약을 바꿔치기 하는 오빠 버턴에게 따지러 갑니다.
Open up! Burton! Do you care to tell me why Mama's last Tamazine's only 10 milligrams?
Step in real quick. I gotta pee.
Have you been swapping pills with Mama?
Jesus Christ, Flynn, you really think I'd do that?
She's got a 10 milligram pill. And just that one, too. So I need cash now.
How much?
How much you got?
1,000 if I make it to the next level, which you could maybe help with.
현재는 게임으로 돈을 벌 수 있는 세상이었는데 플린은 버턴의 계정을 빌려 최고 레벨을 달성한 상태였죠.
Some dude.
플린은 순식간에 적들을 쓸어버리며 게임을 쉽게 클리어해버립니다.
You can send the money to my phone.
잠시 후 어머니의 약을 사기 위해 시내로 향한 플린에게 오빠의 친구 토미가 다가옵니다.
Is it true that Homeland Security flags every withdrawal?
Well, that would make sense, I suppose. Seems the only time folks use cash nowadays is for something funny.
Now, is there a question hiding in there somewhere, Tommy? What you doing here?
I was just dropping off an order for Dee Dee. How's your mama doing, Flynn?
She's okay. Yeah, thanks for asking. I should probably go and help him out. See you, Tommy.
그렇게 곧바로 아르바이트를 하던 플린은 오빠 버턴에게 도착했다는 박스 하나를 전달받습니다.
What?
Burton said to fetch this home.
알고 보니 버턴의 계정이 최고 레벨을 달성하자 게임사 측에서 베타 테스트를 요청하기 위해 최신 기기를 보내준 것인데요.
It looks weird. There's no screen.
Cutting edge VR, Flynn.
Why you?
Turns out I'm one of the few jockeys ever to reach the 100th level.
No, Burton. I don't have time for this shit. I gotta put dinner
This here's
on.
the only way we're gonna pay for Mama's Tamazine.
They pay by level?
Time on the clock, straight up. The longer you're in, the more you earn.
돈까지 지원해준다는 말에 플린은 새로운 게임기를 쓰고 게임 속으로 들어가게 됩니다.
Well, hello. Welcome to the sim, Easy Ice.
Who are you?
The voice in your head. I tell you what to do, and you do it. That's how you earn your keep.
안내 음성에 따라 플린은 목적지로 향하죠.
Your destination, and pull out at the door on the left.
그렇게 건물 안으로 들어서자 기계로 된 매니저들이 나타납니다.
You don't appear to be in our database. Your name is
Easy Ice.
registered, Mr. Ice. Enjoy the party, Mr. Ice.
너무나 현실감 넘치는 게임 세상에 플린은 감탄하기 시작하는데요.
What is this?
This is their annual self-congratulatory pat on the shoulder. Head inside, please.
안쪽으로 향하자 플린의 타겟이 나타납니다.
Alma. The crown of laurels. Now approach her, please. I need you to convince this young woman to take you home.
오빠의 모습이라 이상했지만 빨리 적응한 플린은 대화를 통해 여성의 마음을 사로잡죠. 그렇게 두 사람의 사이는 순식간에 가까워졌는데요.
In your pocket, you'll find a glass ampule. You're gonna snap this open. Hold it under Marielle's pretty nose.
지시를 따라 플린이 유리병을 가져다 대던 바로 그때 알고 보니 이 미션은 여성을 납치하는 미션이었습니다.
Chop chop, let's keep this moving. I speak, and I'm like a thought for you, aren't I? Such power. I didn't realise I'd enjoy it quite so much. On your right, pull in.
I've arrived. Who's this?
Your master, little puppet.
플린은 자신에게 지시를 내렸던 여성과 마주합니다.
You string. You're my first polt, I'm not gonna lie. It's a bit of an odd feeling.
What's a pult?
You see, I know that you're real, and yet still, it's just all a bit hard to fathom it. If I assured you that you'd likely no longer exist in like another decade, what would that mean to you? No, it's true. 10 years. Would that carry any weight? Would you wake from here and change your life?
You were easier to follow when you were just a voice inside my head. Now what?
Something rather eye-opening, I assure you. Let's resume this tomorrow, shall we?
여성의 알 수 없는 말과 함께 플린은 그대로 접속을 종료하죠.
Well, you gonna say something or just lie there?
Holy shit. Like I was actually in your body.
Felt like an upgrade, I bet.
No, it felt fucking weird is what it felt like.
Look, I don't want to be an asshole about this, Flynn, but we're talking a lot of fucking cash here. Like, enough to set us right for months.
I hear you.
Hold up. You good?
Yeah. Is that thing safe?
I don't know, some sort of neural cutout, I guess, like my haptics.
그렇게 당분간 게임을 지속하기로 한 플린은 다음날 어머니를 시켜주고 있었는데요.
So, how's the pain been?
Burton's been giving me his extra pills. That's helped some.
What do you mean?
Well, he says he doesn't need them so much anymore.
이때 플린은 버턴이 자신의 약을 내어주고 있었던 걸 알게 됩니다.
How are those haptics treating you?
Been worse.
알고 보니 버턴도 햅틱으로 인한 후유증을 겪고 있었는데요.
I saw you last night. Through the window. I'm sorry I said all that evil stuff about you taking Mama's pills.
What's going on, Flynn?
What do you mean?
You're acting fucking weird.
Yeah, just give me that. Stop piddling with it.
잠시 후 다시 게임 속으로 접속하는 플린. 하지만 뭔가 상황이 이상합니다.
I assume you're wondering why you can't move. That's a very good question. Do you know what enucleation means? Now, I imagine that you've begun to shout in your head, haven't you? Endgame, disconnect. Alas, you can't do that here because I initiate the connection and only I can end it, so. Oh, look. It's Marielle's beautiful blue orb. I may need you to endure terrible pain in the coming hours, okay? So try and see this as a sort of little test. I mean, you're not actually in this body, are you? I need you to discipline your mind, your heart. Show me that you can rein it in.
그렇게 플린은 어제 납치했던 여성의 눈을 이식받게 되는데요.
Back, are we?
Best not.
Doctor's orders.
What are we doing?
You're gonna be a love and open some doors for me.
이 상황이 이해가 잘 가지 않았지만 일단 플린은 여성이 시키는 대로 움직입니다.
Press your eye to it, or rather, dear Marielle's.
철저한 보안을 뚫고 두 사람은 아득히 먼 지하로 내려가기 시작하죠.
It's a great gift I'm giving you. I hope you're worthy of it.
마지막 보안을 해제하자 플린 앞에 괴상한 광경이 드러납니다.
Are you ready
For what?
to lay claim to your destiny?
여성은 계속해서 알 수 없는 말만 되풀이하는데요.
Your eye.
그런데 이때 한 남자가 이쪽으로 다가옵니다.
Stop him. Now is here to kill us.
일단 플린은 남자와 맞서 싸우지만 남자는 생각보다 강했는데
Encountered one of these before. Delivers a sonic punch right down into the organs. Who else is involved? Fuck. Is this the liver over here? Or is it the spleen? I really should brush up on my anatomy, but I know where the brain is. And guess what happens then? Name's Miss West!
이때 묶인 손을 억지로 빼내자 자신의 손이 기계인 것을 발견하는 플린.
Brilliant. What's your real name, lad? Once we cut this bloody thing's head off, we can easily trace your connection. Who are you? Where are you?
플린이 반격을 시도하는 사이 여성은 도망치기 시작하는데요. 그렇게 플린의 접속이 종료됩니다.
What happened?
Never again. Never fucking again.
Flynn!
다음 날 출근하지 않는 플린이 걱정돼 절친이 집으로 찾아왔고 플린은 그녀에게 그동안의 일을 털어놓죠.
You know, I've been playing this sim, filling in for Burton. I mean, it's new tech. Best I've ever seen. It's like you're actually there. You feel your whole body, like it's real or something. Yeah, but you know, the thing that I keep thinking on, like the palm of my hand got ripped off, right?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, but underneath it, it was a machine. Why would they design it like that?
Why not?
It seems to me like the whole thing they're going to be selling this sim on, what's most important about it is that everything feels real. So why go and put machine underneath it?
I don't think I'm following.
조심스레 플린은 자신의 생각을 말합니다.
And here it is. I can't help but think that I was actually there. In a real body somewhere that's real.
다음 날 아르바이트를 하던 플린에게 의문의 전화 한 통이 걸려옵니다.
Miss Fisher, I need you to listen very closely. You're in grave danger. Everything you believe about your experience with the headset is wrong. Everything. The situation is far more complex and far more perilous than you can possibly imagine. It's crucial that you log back into the sim. Immediately.
How'd you get this number?
Miss Fisher?
I asked you a question.
Finding your number has honestly been the least challenging of my tasks.
Well, don't call it again.
Your life is at risk.
플린은 황급히 전화를 끊지만 그날 이후 이상한 현상들이 벌어집니다.
It's of critical importance that you sign back into the sim, Miss Fisher. Immediately. You are in grave danger. An ad has been posted on the dark net offering a $9 million bounty for a contract killing. I repeat, I cannot assist you in this emergency unless you sign back in.
겁에 질린 플린은 곧장 오빠에게가 이 사실을 알리려고 하는데요.
Barton!
Hey, Flynn. What's going on?
He said someone put a hit on us for $9 million on the darknet. Fuck off. Y'all can laugh, but he went a fair ways if he was just trying to freak me out.
Did he say why?
No, he didn't say why. He said I just need to sign in again so he can help us.
He's just trying to get you back into harness.
버턴의 군대 친구들은 플린의 말을 믿지 않았지만 계속된 플린의 말에 결국 드론 정찰을 해보기로 합니다.
We were wondering, Flynn. You sure that it made $9?
그런데 이때 무장한 사람들이 이곳으로 오는 걸 발견한 이들.
Looks like somebody come hunting for that $9.
한편 게임 속에서 플린을 습격했던 남자가 누군가에게 보고를 하는데요.
We've taken the necessary steps to eliminate the threat.
Those being?
We've put up a posting on something called the dark web. It's a...
Yes, I know what it is. Has the offer been accepted?
Almost immediately.
By a reliable party?
Ex-military, elite unit, will be providing some assistance on the technical side.
Well, it's not just him we need dead. It's anyone even remotely associated with him.
지시를 받고 플린 가족을 죽이기 위해 움직이는 이들.
Drone inbound. Get Mama in the basement.
버턴과 친구들은 자신을 해치려는 이들에게 참교육을 시켜주려 하죠.
These sorry motherfuckers have no idea who they just picked a fight with. Link. Link. You got your long guns?
그렇게 가족을 지키려는 버턴의 싸움이 시작됩니다. 햅틱을 이용한 링크 시스템으로 이들에게 사각이란 존재하지 않았죠. 하지만 이때 플린의 집으로 침투한 누군가. 플린은 황급히 숨겨놓았던 총을 찾는데요.
Come on, fucker. Come on. Stop! Drop your fucking gun now!
결국 버턴의 도움으로 플린은 무사할 수 있었죠.
Mama?
It's all right. Just let through the whole thing.
Problem. Only seen 10 bodies.
One's in the house.
Counting, still 2 missing.
Play it back.
이때 무언가 이상함을 감지한 이들.
They hacked us back.
그런데 이때 반대편에서 누군가가 총을 난사하기 시작하는데요.
Will someone please tell me what the fuck is going on?
Your little sister said I should stop by for a beer.
알고 보니 이 남자는 버턴의 친구 코너였죠.
I'm sorry, Flynn. I know this is the last thing you want to do, but we need the intel.
잠시 후 플린은 대체 이게 어떻게 된 상황인지 알기 위해 의문의 전화송 메시지대로 게임에 접속해보기로 합니다. 자신의 모습에 놀라는 사이 다가오는 누군가.
If you'd like it altered in any way, we can easily accommodate you. I'm Wilf Netherton. I'll be as direct as possible, since neither of us has time for anything else. I'm trying to find a woman, Alita West. If I'm not mistaken, you might be the last person to have seen her.
아엘리타는 게임 속에서 플린에게 지시를 내렸던 여성이었죠.
You see, I'm thinking you should probably tell me why people are trying to come and kill me and my family first. And then, maybe I'll go and play your stupid missing lady sim.
You aren't playing a sim, Miss Fisher. You're inside what we call a peripheral.
윌프는 이곳이 가상공간 속이 아닌 플린의 세계에서 70년이 지난 미래라고 말해주는데요.
Let me show you.
잠시 후 플린은 70년 후의 런던을 보게 됩니다.
This ain't London.
Why would you say that?
Where are all the people?
Well, that's where things begin to get a bit tricky. This is London. But London's 70 years from what you think of as the present.
That time traveled here? To future London?
No, not at all. If it were time travel, as you say, you'd be here physically. This is merely a matter of data transfer. Quantum tunneling is the technical term for it.
At all, actually. I just don't believe you.
Your mother. She has a brain tumor.
Don't really need to be from the future to know
It's going
that
to kill
one.
her in 4 weeks. On September the 22nd.
그러면서 윌프는 플린의 어머니가 사망했다는 기사가 실린 신문을 보여주죠.
We developed a drug to treat gliomas. Rather easily. I sent the formula to your pharmacy. They're printing it now.
But we can't afford Pharmacon.
We wired payment direct to the pharmacy. Think on it, Miss Fisher. But with alacrity. The situation is urgent. I can't stress that enough. You and your family, you remain in grave danger. Those men who came to kill you, they won't be the last. You need my help to stop them. And I'll need yours in turn. I'll see you soon.
그렇게 접속을 마친 플린은 곧바로 약국으로 향했고 그곳에서 진짜 윌프가 보낸 약을 전달받습니다.
You want to tell me something, Mama? About your glioma?
Who told you? I'm sorry, Flynn.
How long?
6 weeks.
또 플린은 그동안 어머니가 윌프가 말한 병을 숨겨왔던 걸 알게 되고 때문에 윌프를 점점 믿을 수밖에 없었죠. 그 시각 버턴의 친구인 경찰 토미는 순찰 중 신기한 광경을 마주합니다. 토미는 현대의 기술로는 설명할 수 없는 스텔스 기능이 있는 차를 발견하는데요.
Coffee's on the desk.
Thanks.
I could really use some intel right about now, if you got it.
한편 플린은 버턴에게 윌프와 만났던 일에 대해 말해줍니다.
Put on the headset I'm operating. This guy says. He says I witnessed something while I was there. Something that these folks are wanting to kill me. To keep quiet. It's in the future. Burton. 2100.
I assume he gave you reason to believe that.
하지만 쉽게 믿지 않는 버턴.
Did you check on Mama on your way up? Is she okay?
Why?
This guy, he gave me something for her. A drug. For a tumor. He says it'll cure her.
Well, fuck that, because we're not taking his word on
I gave
anything.
it to her.
You what?
He showed me her obituary, okay?
Flynn, you can't
She's
just
gonna
give
die
her...
in 4 weeks if we don't do nothing about it.
And you just believe that?
It was real, Burton. It felt real.
Felt real? Flynn, are you out of your fucking mind?
I'll go back. I'll get more intel if that's what you want.
No fucking way. I'm going in there.
No. He doesn't want you. Okay? He wants me.
I don't give a fuck who he wants. That's part of the problem. You're letting him think he's in charge.
God damn it, Burton. Why do you have to go and fuck things up all the time, huh? Okay, look, I'm sorry. Okay? What happens when more people come? But I'm going, Burton.
결국 플린은 자신을 쫓는 의문의 상대에 대한 정보를 얻기 위해 다시 게임에 접속합니다.
Welcome back.
So why are we here?
We're in Notting Hill to meet with Lev and his two technicals. More specifically, we're in his garden to give you a moment to acclimate before we begin.
Begin what?
Debriefing you. Lev is the man who hired me to find Alita, the woman who went missing.
그곳에서 플린은 클랩트라는 단체에 소속된 레프라는 남자와 만나죠.
What happens to this thing when I'm not in it?
It has an 8-hour sleep cycle. The rest of the time, when you're off in your stub, it runs on AI.
My stub?
When a party from our present made contact with the past, that past immediately branched off and formed its own continuum. Or parallel timeline, if you will. Or stub.
It can all be rather confusing, even for us. Perhaps we should stick to the most urgent matters at hand and trust that the secondary details will fall into place.
Urgent, like the people coming to kill me and my family.
For instance. Or from our perspective, urgent being what happened to Alita West.
Why is she so important to y'all?
Alita worked for an entity called the Research Institute. Our duties there gave her access to your stub. We've been paying her to provide us with a trapdoor into it. Now that she's missing, we risk losing that connection.
Mm-hmm. Well, what were y'all up to in my world then?
You could call it intellectual curiosity.
Like a game? Like you're playing a sim?
I suppose an analogy could be made.
플린은 어머니의 상태에 대해 말합니다.
That drug you gave my mother, all it's gone and done is make her sicker.
It will accomplish what I promised, I assure you. Give it time.
Which is the one thing she don't have, ain't it? According to y'all. How'd y'all get that information anyway? I mean, what else do y'all have? You got her obituary, but what happens to me?
I feel we're getting a little off track here.
What are y'all hiding from me?
These are all excellent questions, and in time they'll all be answered. I'll give you my word.
Seems like it shouldn't be too hard to help a good woman who's had a shitty run of luck lately. Make that happen. And I'll start talking about your missing lady.
그렇게 어머니의 병을 고쳐달란 부탁을 한 뒤 플린은 접속을 종료하는데요.
Make sure to say hi to Flynn and your mama for me.
Yeah, I'll do that, Tommy.
What'd he say?
2 abandoned SUVs up the road a ways. With some new kind of cloaking tech, which answers that question. You okay?
I mean, how the fuck is all of this happening right now?
Your buddies from the future gonna help us any, or are we on our own?
They said they're watching. I guess they'll try to give us a warning before the next wave hits.
How much of a warning?
Much as they can manage. They said they're sending money, though. A lot. $250,000.
그 시각 화면은 플린이 사는 동네에서 갱단을 운영하는 코베를 비춥니다.
Esta noche, señor. Flying free this evening, Manuel.
Un hombre de gran pasión, ¿no?
그는 플린과 같은 게임을 즐기고 있었는데요.
Would you excuse us, señorita?
그런데 이때 한 남자가 코벨을 방해합니다.
You're quite a difficult man to contact, Mr. Pickett.
What the fuck is going on here?
We have a situation that would appear to require some local knowledge. We'd like to pay you $10 million to eliminate 2 members of your community.
Who are you? Homeland Security? You fuckers hacked this thing.
We're prepared to transfer 25% into your account now, as a good faith payment. The rest to be paid upon completion. The individuals' names in question are Flynn and Burton Fisher.
You think I'm a fool? In game!
그렇게 코벨이 의뢰를 거절하는 사이 플린은 윌프에 대한 정보를 검색해 보는데요. 하지만 이때 플린은 오른쪽 손이 갑자기 제멋대로 움직이는 듯한 느낌을 받습니다. 한편 진짜로 이체된 돈을 보곤 고민에 빠지는 코벨.
Burton, get up here right now.
그 시각 플린은 한밤중에 수상한 인기척을 느끼는데요.
Mama? What are you doing? You okay?
I was hungry. I thought I was in a dream.
Mama.
I can see Flynn. Mama, I can see you. I can see you.
그렇게 어머니의 건강이 급속도로 좋아지자 플린은 약속대로 자신이 본 정보를 윌프 일행에게 전달하려 게임에 접속합니다.
And welcome back.
We kidnapped the Mariel woman, stole her eyeball, used that to get into the underground place, got caught. Your Alita woman ran away while I got myself killed. I'm not really a detective, but I feel like that's more than enough to get going on. Start with the party. Find out who the Mariel woman is and go from there.
Marielle Raphael, Assistant Security Manager at the Research Institute, which was also Alita's place of employment. It would seem logical to surmise that you used her iris to gain access to one of the Institute's restricted facilities.
Which immediately makes everything that follows far more complex than it might otherwise be.
More dangerous too.
Y'all are afraid of that place, huh?
Let's just say that minimizing our exposure to the RI would be in our collective self-interest.
Weren't y'all stealing from it, though? Using Alita to sneak into my world?
Stealing seems a strong word.
Then what would you call it?
I believe you had something you wanted to ask this young lady.
What connection do you have to a man named Corbell Pickett?
이때 코벨에 대해 얘기하는 이들.
None.
We've been monitoring your stub's web traffic. We've detected a considerable spike in interest from his IP address.
Interest in what?
You and your family.
Which would lead us to believe that someone from here might have contacted him, in the hopes of recruiting him to harm you.
Then you need to send me back. Now, I mean. You keep looking for Alita. And I'll be back in an hour.
곧바로 플린은 코벨에 대해 알아낸 것을 버턴에게 말하는데요.
I'll take care of Pickett.
What do you mean? Take care of him? Burton, you can't go and kill Corbell Pickett in cold blood.
You said he was planning to kill us. There's nothing too hot-blooded about that.
But that's the kind of person that he is. That ain't who we are.
All right, how about this? You find me a workable plan, or we go with mine.
You'll talk to me first, before you make any decisions?
Agreed. We'll talk about it first. I promise.
그렇게 버턴에게 뒷일을 맡긴 채 플린은 다시 게임 속으로 접속합니다.
Welcome back. You see anything familiar from that night? We can try to trace your route back to Elita's.
What happened to her? Mariel. Afterward, I mean.
She appears to have vanished.
Alita killed her?
Either Elita or the RI. They don't take phone lead to security lapses there, I'm afraid.
We go back. I think we turn there.
하지만 그날 일이 잘 기억이 나질 않는 플린.
Why don't we take a walk for a bit then? See if anything jumps out. You go that way, I'll go here. We can link up so you can see what I'm seeing.
Link up?
You'll hear a ringing. When you do, swipe. Tap your thumb and forefinger.
Holy shit.
It's set to full sensory, not just visual and oral, so it might take a moment to acclimate.
Oh, fuck, I feel sick.
Ah, yes. My hangover, I imagine. You should be able to calibrate it here.
서로의 감각까지 공유하는 기술에 플린은 쉽게 적응하지 못하는데요.
Better?
Yeah. I mean, it's like I'm part of you? Does it make sense? Does it work both ways? What do I feel like?
You're all rainbows and unicorns, Miss Fisher.
Fuck off.
With a bluesy sort of soundtrack underneath. Heavy bass. Up or down to pull me in or out.
그렇게 플린이 아엘리타를 쫓는 사이 버터는 코벨의 아지트를 직접 찾아갑니다.
Jasper, I think Mr. Pickett and I are overdue for a discussion.
How can I be of assistance?
I've got a carrot, and I've got a stick, Mr. Pickett. How much did they promise for you to make me and my sister dead?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Going rate a few nights ago was $9 million. So if they told you any less than that, they obviously don't think too highly of you.
버터는 배짱 좋게 코벨과 협상을 하려 하는데요.
But I can offer you 200 grand a week just to leave us the fuck alone. So why don't we shake on it, and I'll be on my way.
I'm curious about the stick.
You know what these are?
Heard about them.
What, exactly?
How they messed you up pretty good. And I thank you for your service.
I'll tell you a story. The Corps targets rural towns for haptic recruitment. Kids who grew up together offer ready-made small unit cohesion. If anything happens to me or my sister, and you're behind it, you ought to have your affairs in order. Because I'm not just me now. I'm all the men I served with.
That's your best stick?
You feel safe here, Mr. Pickett?
My town. So yeah. Yeah, I guess I do feel pretty safe here.
코벨이 버튼을 비웃으며 술 한 잔을 마시던 바로 그때
Next one's in your fucking ear. That's my fucking stick. 200 a week sound good?
결국 코벨은 꼬리를 내리고 말죠. 한편 리서치 인스티튜트의 대표실에 쓰는 플린의 처리가 늦어지자 화가 났습니다.
You're taking too much time.
The stub.
Yes. It presents unique challenges, I'm well aware. Teams of mercenaries, impenetrable small-town alliances. It seems there ought to be a simpler way to kill a girl, doesn't it?
I can address it, if you like.
And then I want a body count. I'm sure you're aware that I could easily eliminate you in any number of ways with a simple wave of my hand. But I value you, Daniel. And I wouldn't want you serving the needs of the Institute simply out of fear. It is the weakest type of motivation, powerful only in the short term.
Doctor!
They flap their wings.
Mama.
Birds. That's how they fly.
그렇게 시리스가 부하를 다그치는 사이 버턴에게 윌프와 있었던 일을 말하는 플린.
Hey, what's it feel like when you link up with your haptics?
It's hard to describe. Why are you asking?
Well, I think I did it, or I guess something similar to it, with Wilf.
Takes training to handle a merge. You better be careful then.
Why?
Folks can get lost in it.
Lost how?
Well, two souls coming together as one can kind of feel a lot like love if you don't know any better. Haptic drift. That's what they call it.
Right.
플린은 오빠의 조언을 들은 뒤 다시 윌프를 만나러 게임 속에 접속합니다.
Welcome back.
It ain't real, is it?
No, I'm afraid. Elita left a clue as to her potential whereabouts. A riddle. She was always fond of riddles. I was trying to get into her frame of mind.
What was it?
Where Snow last fell in London.
My mother had a painting. Over her bureau it said, Battle of the Abbey, the spot where Harold fell. You don't think that... I mean, Snow could be a person. Do you?
Jon Snow.
Who's that?
One of Elita's intellectual heroes. An English doctor. He discovered how cholera spread.
플린을 통해 힌트를 얻어낸 윌프는 그녀와 함께 아엘리타가 갔던 장소로 향하는데요.
I've arrived.
잠시 후 어느 건물로 향하는 두 사람.
Someone got here before us.
그런데 이때 플린이 수상한 시계를 발견합니다.
We have one of those back at home.
The exact same?
Yeah. Ours is broken too. It stopped after my dad died.
What time is your clock set to?
2:15.
시간을 맞추자 숨겨졌던 문이 드러나는데요. 알고 보니 이곳은 플린이 눈을 적출당한 그 장소였죠.
What happened to him?
Peripherals. Abandoned for days without a nutrient bath.
참고로 페리페럴은 데이터를 송신받기 위한 인공생명체입니다. 그런데 이때 플린은 아엘리타가 만든 듯한 모형을 보고 놀라는데요. 어째선지 자신의 집 모형이 있는 걸 본 플린.
What is it?
It's an implant.
Elita's?
She must have removed it after the attack, so she couldn't be traced. We should go.
쌓여가는 의문을 뒤로 한 채 두 사람은 집을 빠져나가려 하는데요. 하지만 이때 시리스의 부하가 나타납니다.
Welcome back, Miss Fisher. And Wilfred Netherton, is it? Remember this. I assume you're thinking, kill me, then game over, right? But I assure you, the trauma leaves a mark.
Pretzel, a donut. Good.
그렇게 시작되는 반격.
What do you want with me, huh? Answer me!
She won't stop. Not till you're dead. You're only delaying the inevitable. You took something.
What?
플린과 윌프는 시리스의 부하에게서 겨우 탈출할 수 있었죠.
An implant and 2 peripheral CPUs? Is this all that's left of Alita?
This is all quite distressing. At the very least, you must gird yourself for the harsh reality of Alita's death.
Why?
Without the immunity boost of her implant, how long could she last?
그 시각 시리스는 죽은 부하의 페리페럴을 다시 만들어 정보를 캐내려 합니다.
Speak?
It's nice to see you again, Dr. Newland.
Now, what do we have from your unfortunate encounter of mortality the other night?
Wilf Netherton, adopted brother to Alita West, also known associate of Lev Zubov.
There's our Klepp connection at last. Where can I find Lev Zubov now?
Scanning localization data.
알고 보니 시리스는 클랩트의 대표인 레프와 대립하고 있었죠. 한편 플린은 그날 이후 이상현상이 더욱 심해지고 있었는데요.
Gwen, we got company.
토미는 얼마 전 버턴이 코벨을 만난 것이 걱정돼 찾아왔습니다.
What's the word, Tommy?
Saw you and Corbell Pickett shaking hands down in Jimmy's. It had me a bit concerned. All the abandoned vehicles, that bullet, all them drones you got up. So thought I'd come by for a visit. Just make clear, here's a friend, not as a deputy.
Appreciate that, Tommy. Everything you're saying. But, you don't have to worry about us.
What about you, Flynn? You okay?
Yeah.
Well, all right then. And, Burton, try to remember. Part about me being your friend.
차마 토미에게 사실을 말할 수 없었던 두 사람.
I fucking hate it, Burton. Lying to him like that. I mean, I can't keep doing it.
There's a dozen dead bodies out back. It's easy for Tommy to say he's our friend, as long as he doesn't know about them. But as soon as he does, he's also going to remember he's a cop. There's no way around that.
Why can't we just tell him what we're telling everyone else? You can't really deny that we need some help right now.
I guess I'm worried you're not thinking clearly.
What?
You can't be rational about this.
You fucking kidding me right now?
결국 두 사람은 이번 일로 인해 크게 다투게 되고 언성을 높이던 플린은 쓰러지고 말죠. 잠시 후 플린을 데리고 병원으로 온 버턴.
The way Burton is describing what happened makes it sound like a classic tonic-clonic seizure, what they used to call grand mal. But if that were the case, I ought to be seeing the after effect on your EEG. And I'm not. This all looks perfectly healthy, to use a technical term.
Sure thing, Danny. Thank you.
다행히 큰 이상이 발견 안 된 플린은 집으로 돌아와 어렸을 적 찍은 비디오를 감상하며 안정을 취합니다. 그리고 이런 플린이 걱정된 버턴은 자신이 직접 게임 속으로 접속해보기로 하는데요.
I'm not saying you shouldn't do it, but if you're gonna do it, you better have a good argument for the doing. And by good, I mean not just, I want to see what it's like, but I do want to see what it's like. I get that. and I wouldn't mind seeing myself, but we can't afford having you end up on your back, kicking your heels against the floor and frothing at the mouth, given the unknown contingencies we've been encountering in the
This shit is harming Flynn. Then someone's got to go there and knock those assholes back on their fucking heels. She's scheduled any minute. Now's the time. Surprise the fucking shit out of them.
I hate to keep saying this because it seems like you don't want to hear it, but if you end up WIA,
She's got a body when she goes in there? A real one?
한편 클랩트의 대표 래프의 집에 시리스가 찾아옵니다.
So sorry. Did I startle you? I wouldn't ordinarily drop by unannounced, but I wanted to grab a rare moment of privacy with you, Lev. You stole something from me.
I don't know what you mean.
Alita West, how much were you paying her?
If someone theoretically stole something, one would think that you would go to the police. Unless you didn't want the Met to find out about this theoretically stolen thing. What is it you're missing, by the way?
You see, now, I'd accuse you of playing dumb, but you seem to be forgetting quite a bit of vital information recently, including the realpolitik that governs us all. So, let's you and I have a quick review, shall we? We live in a house with 3 walls. The klept oligarchy, through the application of extreme violence, managed to bring order from the chaos of the jackpot. And now, in exchange for rather an open hand and blind eye when it comes to the free pursuit of profit, it helps to maintain that order. The Met Police keeps the klept from straying beyond certain implicit boundaries. The Research Institute benefits from the peace and prosperity that results, and in turn provides us technical assistance for society to function and thrive. But the thing that will come crashing down on all of us should one of the walls overstep its bounds. In other words, the end of the world, Lev.
Your description of the klept left a bit out. You mentioned the application of extreme violence. There was no shortage of that in the jackpot, certainly. But the klept simply succeeded where others failed, through a sort of atavistic tribal unity.
그런데 래프의 말을 듣던 시리스가 한 가지 일화를 말해줍니다.
Yuri Samsonov was a friend once, wasn't he? Poor Yuri. Such a tragic fate. But also rather a relevant example in terms of our 3-walled house. You see, Yuri Samsonov overstepped. The Met Police resolved the problem with the technical assistance of the RI, but it was the klept who handed Yuri over. Someone he trusted.
알고 보니 래프는 과거 자신의 단체를 지키기 위해 한 사람을 팔았었고 그로 인해 그 사람의 혈통은 전부 몰살당하고 말았죠.
Your thoughts, Lev, I can sense them.
Can you now?
I hope so. I hope you're thinking, my, what a powerful weapon, and it's just been sitting in the RI all these years, waiting for the next sample of DNA. Think on that, Lev.
그 시각 버턴의 친구 코너가 호기심을 이기지 못하고 플린의 몸으로 접속합니다.
Flynn?
Who the fuck are you?
Katie Hunter. Yvonne.
What's happening?
Fucking totes. Pack the connection.
Flynn,
Friend of the brothers, the triple amputee.
heading for the gates.
You okay, buddy?
Hey, Connor.
Connor.
You, man. Right here.
What do you need? Tell us what to do.
Send me back.
한편 추억에 빠진 플린에게 윌프가 찾아오는데요.
I don't remember inviting you here.
I had no idea. Ash arranged it. I'm very sorry. I wanted to address some issues that have arisen. May I?
Sure.
What is this?
It's a home movie.
That you?
Me, Burton, and that's my dad.
Burton looks like him.
Oh, yeah. And he is more than a little bit conceited on that fact. So, what are these issues that have arisen?
Your friend made a visit. Connor.
What?
It's true. In your peripheral. He informed us of your seizure.
Fuck.
But she seems to believe the headset caused it.
And I bet you're here to tell me it didn't.
Well, I have no idea if it did.
Wilfred. I looked that up, by the way. It means he who wants peace. You know that? I looked some other stuff up, too. Except, Lev Zubov. That exists in my time.
What did you find?
Mafia thing.
이때 윌프는 플린을 통해 플린의 세계에 있는 레프라는 남자의 가족들이 끔찍하게 몰살당했다는 것을 전해 듣습니다.
On fire, but no connection to your Lev.
None at all. Get your scan. In the meantime, we'll investigate the headset. We'll only ask you to return if it's safe. Give you my word. There's one thing I haven't shared. Alita. She's my sister.
잠시 후 윌프는 플린에게 들은 소식을 전하기 위해 레프를 찾아가는데요.
I take it you have good cause for this intrusion?
I met with our Poles. She shared some unexpected information. Your family, in the stub, they were killed a few weeks ago. Brutally.
No. I'm sorry. It's just that I can forget how kind you actually are.
Someone targeted them, Lev. Someone from here, I presume.
What do you think I was paying Alita to do for me?
I have no idea. You made it quite clear that you don't consider it any of my business.
We wanted to learn how to open a stub of our own.
Why would the Klept want a stub?
Why would we want anything? There's money to be made.
And a stub? How?
The only limit is one's imagination. And morals, I suppose.
For example?
My brother Alexei purchased a pharmaceutical concern. Even with AI, at some point one has to test a new drug on a human population. It's a process that medical ethics can make rather tedious and costly.
So you tested it out in a stub?
But one thing troubled me, though. The idea of different versions of myself in another world. The existential nihilism of it. I just couldn't abide it.
You killed your family?
No, not personally. No, of course not. No, I transferred funds and hired the appropriate personnel. And I'll tell you something, Wilf. I felt better. Instantly. In fact, once we gain the ability to open these things ourselves,
it'll always be the first task I'll address.
I would offer to take care of your lineage, but I realize your origins are a bit murkier. Was there anything else you wanted to share?
레프가 피도 눈물도 없는 냉혈 아닌 걸 보여주는 사이 플린은 버턴을 찾아왔습니다.
Is there a reason you're here, or you just want to piss me off?
I'm looking for advice, actually. Alita woman, the one that hired us in the first place. Well, we finally found out where she was living. And she had this diorama thing of our house. And of y'all. Like these little toy soldiers. Leon, Reese, Carlos, all of y'all, your whole unit. So I guess I'm just wondering, what the hell do I do with all that?
They said it was a sim when they sent the headset.
And?
Never saw one you couldn't master.
That's the thing, Burton. This ain't just another sim.
But you thought it was. What if you kept thinking it? What's your gambit, Flynn? What's the first thing you do when you get in a sim?
Break script. Do the exact opposite of what's expected.
And what happens?
I die a bunch. I look pretty stupid.
And then?
I figure out the rule set.
And then?
I take control.
Fuck yeah. Easy eyes. Let's do that. You and me. Go in there. Start dying.
Not without me, motherfuckers. Not this time. The more boots we got on the ground, the less likely we are to get our asses kicked in there. That's just basic tactics, ain't it?
You are so full of shit, Burton. You just want to see it.
And what if I do? Besides, it doesn't matter because you're not going back in there until we get your seizure sorted out.
It's all sorted.
It ain't sorted till we see the scan.
I feel fine. I want to go back, Burton. Okay? I need to. It's not like we got time to waste. How long do you think it's gonna be till someone else comes around wanting to kill us?
How's your hand?
Everything's back to normal. Okay, I told you.
결국 플린은 다시 게임 속으로 들어갑니다.
Where's your father?
Flynn? The children inside. Nice. What are you doing here?
How long does it take to make one of these?
Why?
Because I need one. For Connor. Another one for Burton, too.
Where are you going?
You see, sim jockeys tend to have a specialty. Achievers, explorers, killers. I'm an explorer, Ash. So I think now's a pretty good time to start.
Cut our connection.
Working on it, love. But the pulse are countering. Rather adeptly, I'm afraid.
그렇게 플린의 페리페럴 주도권을 뺏기 위한 해킹 싸움이 벌어지는데요.
When you so say in the win end and Najabini and look now yam yam a vibs up shoop sorin. Ish na shiri.
Alert him. Maybe you can explain the point of this exploring.
I want to see all the shit you haven't been showing me.
I assure you, there is absolutely nothing.
Damn it, look me in the eye when you say it. I want to see the expression you make when you lie to my face.
Apologies for the interruption, Mr. Zubov, but we have a situation that is turning somewhat urgent. The Pult has made an unscheduled visit. Mr. Netherton's assistance might be in order.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Austin. Cut a connection.
Aye, sir.
If I assured you that you'd likely no longer exist in, like, another decade, what would that mean to you?
Alita told me I'm likely to die in 10 years, Ash. What do you think she meant by that? And where are all the people?
Done?
Did you not hear my roar of victory echoing across the rooftops?
Return to the Zubov residence.
그런데 이때 다시 주도권을 뺏는 이들.
Back again, are we?
What happened to the people, Ash?
결국 플린은 70년 후에 대부분의 사람들이 없는 이유를 설명듣습니다.
We call it the jackpot. It wasn't one thing, or all at once.
It started, though. Already in my time.
Yes.
Nice place for a stroll.
She has a right to know, Mr. Netherton.
그리고 플린은 잭팟이라는 사건에 대해 듣죠.
What is this?
Our past, your future. A museum of sorts. Each of these shapes represents a different phase of the jackpot.
This is the moment commonly pinpointed as the edge of the cliff, after which there is no turning back. The jackpot was unstoppable. The hack of the North American electrical grid. Complete blackout. Months long, continent wide. An increasingly common phenomenon, as it turned out, across the globe.
That's just 7 years off in my world.
Pandemic. We called it the blood plague. It attacked the viscera, the liver, spleen, intestines, filling with blood till the abdomen burst.
environmental catastrophe. Droughts, famine, antibiotic failure.
Agricultural collapse followed.
Full population collapse.
About more than 7 billion people. Over 4 decades or so. And then came the end.
그러다 마지막 재앙이 터지고 말았습니다.
A domestic terrorist attack in the United States. They blew up a nuclear missile silo. Spring Creek, North Carolina.
Jesus Christ. That's where I live.
그렇게 진실을 들은 플린은 접속을 종료하는데요.
You okay? You get us bodies?
I'm working on it.
한편 이제 화면은 어떠한 박스를 전달받은 노인의 모습을 비추는데요.
Robert O'Connell. Pleasure to make your acquaintance.
알고 보니 노인은 도살자 밥이라 불렸던 전설적인 킬러였고 그에게 플린의 제거 의뢰가 전달됩니다.
Who'd you want dead?
그 시각 얼마 전 발작으로 인해 뇌검사를 받고 있던 플린.
You're 100% sure about this?
Absolutely. It's bacterial. The oddest thing I've ever encountered.
플린은 뇌에서 이상한 박테리아가 발견됐다는 사실을 알게 되죠. 한편 밥은 병원 근처에 차를 세우고 플린을 기다리고 있었는데요.
You all right, sir?
Just a bit of car trouble. I'll be fine, thanks.
You want me to take a look?
그런데 이때 플린의 친구가 밥을 만납니다.
Charlie Burr? I can maybe save you whatever ransom he'll end up charging.
I appreciate it, but I'll take my chances.
Okay, well, good luck to you, sir.
Take care now.
하지만 플린의 친구가 갑자기 차를 돌려 세우는데요.
What happened?
바로 그때 플린과 버턴이 도착합니다.
Tell me you didn't run into this man with that tired-looking truck of yours, Billy Ann.
Just trying to be a good Samaritan here, Burton. But some folks can't seem to believe a woman might know how to fix a car.
I apologize for all the fuss. I didn't mean to offend anybody. I was, I guess, a bit flustered, to be honest.
Shoot him. Shoot him now. Get down!
위기의 순간 버튼의 순발력으로 플린은 살아날 수 있었는데.
You okay?
Burton. Burton! Shit! Fuck, I'm stuck. Fuck!
You all right? Nice.
Burton!
그런데 이때
Pretty good with a shotgun, too. Want to see? Next one's in the head, old man.
결국 도살자 밥은 그대로 신고를 받은 토미에게 잡히고 맙니다.
That's what you do to suspects, ain't it?
You got any idea what this is?
I don't know, hell. I mean, it looks like it's almost something from the future, you know?
Yeah, it does, don't it? You hadn't said a peep. No ID, No registration, but he is wearing a vest.
And? We're not doing anything wrong, okay?
이번에도 토미에게 사실을 털어놓을 수 없었던 플린은 그대로 현장을 떠나는데요.
Flynn. Talk to me, sweet pea.
I don't know. 1,000 ways it could have gone wrong back there.
Can't dwell on the past, Flynn. Gotta focus on what's in front of us.
How, Burton? When they're always about 10 steps ahead of us. I mean, he was posted up on that bridge waiting for us. He knew that we'd come back.
Let's just get you home, safe and sound. We can talk about it.
I'm a phone call away.
Thank you.
두 사람은 평범한 삶과 멀어지고 있었죠.
It's getting real hard to keep this under wraps.
Billy Ann ain't the problem.
Tommy and his sheriff badge ain't the solution. Should have closed that loop on the bridge.
Yeah, well, you didn't.
한편 밥을 데리고 경찰서로 향하던 토미.
Now you can take me back to the station, you can book me, you can put my prints in the system, swab my DNA, and you set a clock ticking. I said.
하지만 이때 토미의 차량이 무언가에 부딪혀 날아가고 마는데요. 스텔스 차량에서 나온 사람은 밥을 데리고 나와 사라지고 맙니다. 그 시각 또다시 습격을 당한 플린은 윌프에게 따지기 위해 접속하는데요.
This is a pleasant surprise.
No, Wilf. A surprise is when someone tries to kill you, out of the blue, which is what just happened to me. A whole new person. And they had one of those sonic punch things like the guy from the Research Institute had. You were supposed to let us know if somebody else was coming to kill us. Except you can't only not do that, but you didn't even know what happened after the fact. So much for your living in the future wisdom bullshit, huh?
Flynn, what happened?
The sheriff's department's involved. There's gonna be a lot of complications, Wilf.
Is everyone okay?
I need to ask you something.
그렇게 플린은 이번 일의 주동자가 시리스였다는 것을 듣게 되고 윌프의 안내로 그녀의 사무실을 찾아갑니다.
I'm questioning what you might hope to achieve by going in there.
I want Charisse to know what it feels like to be hunted.
Don't go over there. Unless you realize what you might have to do.
하지만 당하고만 살 수 없었던 플린은 그대로 정면 돌파를 선택하죠.
How may I be of assistance? Has my face been scanned?
Of course.
That's all the assistance I'm gonna need.
Ma'am, if you don't have an appointment.
이때 나타나는 시리스.
I think I can handle it from here, thank you.
I just assumed you'd be taller. I can only spare a minute, alas, so perhaps we'll get straight down to business. How can I be of help?
I mean, besides not killing me and my family?
Oh, exactly, because that's rather non-negotiable.
The fuck did I ever do to you?
Stick your fingers, dear. You absconded with some rather vital data.
I didn't take shit from you. I played my game and died. Got sent home. In game.
So, Elita West still has it?
I don't know who the fuck has it. And quite frankly, I don't give a shit. I just need you to leave me and my family alone.
That you're either lying or expendable in your ignorance. Either way, your death continues to be my only viable goal.
Now, what makes you so certain I won't kill you? Right here.
Oh, I'm not that careless, dear. No, I'm in a peripheral of my own.
That doesn't mean I can't deal you an awful lot of pain.
Do you feel it? Darkness closing in. Let it be preparation for when I kill you. And it's real.
I got a foothold in your world now. So next time, I'll be coming for you instead.
그렇게 선전포고를 한 뒤 풀리는 사라집니다. 한편 상처를 추스르던 토미에게 상관이 찾아오는데요.
Merciful heavens. Look at here, Tommy. I'm gonna need you to take some time off. Paid leave. You need to rest up, get your head right. Come back to us swinging for the fences, my friend.
That man is loose on my watch, sir.
Oh, I'm well aware. And all that's gonna get sorted. I'm gonna see to it myself. You hear me, son? I got some business of my own to take care of.
그런데 우연히 뒤를 돌아보던 토미는 상관의 신발을 보고 놀라고 말죠. 그 시각 풀리는 시리스와의 대화를 떠올리며 윌프에게 전달하고 있었는데요.
Sheree said that I copied data from her that night. That I stole it. She's gonna keep trying to kill me till she gets it back. Whatever the hell it is, she made that pretty fucking clear.
The fabricator we're going to see might be able to help. He built Alita's peripherals for her, so it's possible he'll know where she is.
How are you so sure it's him?
Based on these.
I have one of these.
Mm-hmm.
That night, when Alita pressed my up against that thing, I felt something. Is there any way that Alita could have downloaded data into the stub?
Theoretically. But she would need to download it into something in your world.
What kind of thing?
Honestly, only Alita could tell us.
의문을 뒤로 한 채 이들은 불법 페리페럴 제작소로 향합니다.
Well, what'll it be then?
Toad in the hole, please. We've been assured it's your speciality.
You two look like a lovely young couple. You might want to be on your way before anyone gets hurt. What do you think of me, mister?
I don't know you from Eve, love.
Well, you see, the guy who built this, he assured me that it was better than anything you could ever do. Even in your prime.
In my prime?
Yeah, before your craftsmanship started to slip.
And who the fuck might this person be?
Prove it you still got it.
I don't come cheap.
Money won't be an issue.
그렇게 이들은 플린의 상태를 확인하기 위해 안쪽으로 가는데요.
Alright. Was not terrible, but I wager I'll get your money back with that much exertion. Yeah. We have a new add-on I'm rather tickled by. Titanium fingernails, retractable. Scratch away if a stone house if you want.
What about eyes?
Well, any fool can augment eyes. What do you want, night vision, thermal?
What if I want to replace one? With a human eye?
이 말을 듣자 안색이 변하는 남자. 플린은 압도적인 실력으로 두 사람을 가볍게 제압합니다.
Get up.
Tell us about this woman.
What do you think they'd do to me?
Who?
The Neoprims.
알고 보니 아엘리타는 네오프림이라는 저항군 단체와 연관이 있었고 이 말을 들은 윌프는 놀랍니다.
Jesus, lad. She had me build it so someone could carve out its eye, put in a human one. Who else but a Neoprim would know to do that? Old-time surgery and a scalpel.
그 시각 토미의 차에서 끌려 나온 밥은 어째선지 코벨의 집에 있었는데요.
Huh. Our guest has revived.
Well, sir, your timing is perfect. We took some liberties while you were asleep. The state in which you were delivered to us was
What's that word you used?
Unsavory.
Oh, fresh clothes, so forth.
사실 토미의 상관과 코벨은 동업자 관계였고 이에 코벨은 밥을 당분간 숨겨주기로 한 것이죠.
Mr. Murphy. Forgive me, we haven't been introduced.
한편 레프의 집에 한 여성이 찾아오는데요.
Mr. Murphy, introduce me to Mr. Zubov and Mr. Netherton, please. It's Inspector Ainsley Lobeer of the Metropolitan Police.
The Metropolitan Police, sir.
Policeman?
An inspector.
Call my father's solicitors. Immediately!
The phones have been disabled.
Perhaps it might be prudent for me to slip out the back.
She knows you're here. She mentioned you by name. How should I proceed, sir?
Well, let her in for fuck's sake. It'll look incriminating if you make her wait. Whatever you do, don't lie to her. You'll most likely find it impossible anyway.
그렇게 레프가 긴장하는 사이 코벨의 아내와 있던 밥.
Is that salt water?
Must be a male thing. Salt water seem a little more macho or something. That was Corbell's inclination.
Oh, may I?
You'll see some blue rams in there, cherry barbs, electric blue halves.
바로 그때
Guppies, kind of a freshwater tank. Hey! The fuck are you thinking, old man? And look what you did to my petty. No.
그 시각 로비어 경위는 얼마 전 시리스의 부하가 죽은 것에 대해 추궁하고 있었습니다.
I'm very sorry, Inspector. But I wonder if it might make sense for my family's solicitors to join us.
Exactly as I feared. The expected move. Well, it's your decision, of course, but should you choose to summon your solicitors, here's how our encounter will unfold. Your friend, Mr. Netherton, has been geolocated at the site of a crime. Now, I could put Mr. Netherton on trial as an accomplice, which would mean that right here, in your drawing room, 7 or so minutes from now, we'd likely witness poor Mr. Netherton's execution. Lose Mr. Netherton to boot. How much more appealing to set all of this aside for the moment and simply answer a few questions. What do you think? All right, then. The Met has detected 3 peripherals on site, running on AI. Would you summon them, please? I'd so enjoy a quick peek.
And when would you like...
Now, Mr. Zubov. Or soonest.
잠시 후 호출을 받은 플린 일행이 로비어 앞에 소환됩니다.
And you, I presume, are the formidable Flynn Fisher. Inspector Ainsley Lobeer of the Metropolitan Police. Quite pleased to make your acquaintance.
Ma'am.
그렇게 플린이 로비어와 만나는 사이 플린의 어머니는 자신의 몸에 변화가 생긴 것을 느끼는데요.
Is anyone out here?
Something wrong, Miss Fisher?
Reese, honey, I think I might need you to take me to the doctor. I'm blind again.
그런데 이때 플린의 어머니가 병원으로 가는 것을 누군가 지켜보고 있습니다. 한편 플린 일행은 훈련소로 안내를 받는데요.
Training facility. You two and Beatrice are going to have some fun. You're going to climb to the... How many floors do you think they can manage, Beatrice?
Let's try 8.
Feeling ambitious, are we? All right, then. 8th floor. Unlike Miss Fisher, you're new to these bodies. This exercise should get you up to speed. This is where our metcoids are tested. think of it as something like what your sister believed she was playing when she first came here. A sim, I think you call it. Follow Beatrice, she'll explain everything.
Well, can I go too?
Not this time, dear. I have a different test for you. Shall we sit?
It's fairly straightforward, gentlemen. We advance from floor to floor, killing or disabling everything we encounter. Until we reach the roof.
What happens there?
A surprise.
What kind?
A surprise is generally defined as an unexpected event.
We get weapons?
Only what you can claim on the way. Shall we?
You got night vision, dude.
How?
It's on the pallet, just like our haptics.
이때 가상의 적들이 소환되기 시작합니다.
Well, that wasn't so bad.
A little more speed might be nice here, gentlemen. Most of our trainees are already clearing the third floor by now.
그 시각 상관의 신발을 보고 꺼림칙함을 느낀 토미는 자신의 차로 향하는데요.
Fucking doodad.
바로 그때 이때 상관에게 전화가 옵니다.
Tommy, where are you?
I
Whatever you're doing, I need you to drop it. I need you to come over here to Corbell Pickens.
thought I was on leave, sir.
You were? I just canceled it. Stop talking, get your ass in gear. We got a situation on our hands over here. I need you to help me fix it.
Copy that.
한편 병원까지 따라온 밥은 한 가지 계획을 세우는데요.
Lord, I'm hurt. I'm hurt bad. Hello? You okay?
I'm unavailable to take
Damn it, Tommy, pick up.
Leave a message. I'll return it at my earliest convenience.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
결국 리스는 밥에게 제압당해 숨을 거두고 말죠.
Fuck's sake.
Reese?
Anyone else here?
What's happening? What's going on? Tell me, Dee Dee, what is going on?
Hey, I need you to calm her down, or you're both gonna get shot.
It's all right. I'm right here.
Where's Reese? Why isn't he answering?
He just stepped outside.
Sit. Both of you. On your hands.
그 시각 버튼과 코너는 계속해서 시험을 치르고 있었는데
This is fucking amazing.
I told you, bruh. I'm moving here. Full time.
What's the surprise?
The training module isn't considered complete until only one of us remains standing. Surprise.
Greatest fear,
My mama dying.
greatest strength.
I don't know when to give up.
그 사이 플리는 로비아와 대화를 나누다 충격적인 사실을 전해 듣습니다.
The aunties have managed to track down some rather interesting information. That the
Texas.
RI must have opened the stub at least a decade earlier than you've all been assuming. As such, significant divergences have already been occurring in our two timelines. The most disturbing of which is the jackpot. It appears to be happening at an accelerated rate in your world. My assumption is the RI is driving this process intentionally.
To what end?
That's a question only Charisse Newland can answer.
The Texas War. The secession, did it happen for you?
Indeed. Both Mr. Pinsky and your brother went off to fight in it. But the haptic technology implanted in their bodies was decades away from being developed in my own timeline, so they fought as common soldiers.
And Connor didn't get hurt?
He survived the war unscathed. But your brother did not.
When he got wounded?
Killed.
I thought you said details like this were impossible to retrieve.
And he was correct, for the most part. But the aunties are privy to archives unavailable to the general public. If you could turn back time and have none of this ever happen, would you?
No.
If I had the power to sever the connection between our two worlds, would you have me do it?
No.
Why not? You thought too long on that one. Froze up. It happens.
Can I ask you some questions? Like the ones you just asked me?
Let's say 3, as though I were a genie.
What's your biggest fear?
The past.
What, like where I'm from?
Precisely. 2 down, 1 remaining.
Do you actually have that power? To cut our connection?
I'm sorry, dear. I seem to have overpromised. It seems your brother and his friend are almost finished. So, I'll say goodbye and Godspeed.
그렇게 시리스가 잭팟의 시간을 당기고 있단 걸 들은 플리는 접속이 종료되는데요.
Shawty, you are fucking amazing.
Fucking Christ. I can't even read this.
What? Reese took Mama to urgent med. He said to come right now. Come on.
한편 토미는 상관의 호출로 코벨의 집에 도착했습니다.
Hello?
잠시 후 상관과 코벨이 대화하는 장면을 보는 토미.
I want to do it with my bare fucking... Holster your weapon, son. A little late to the party for it to do any kind of good.
What happened?
Well, that prisoner that you lost, he turned up here and killed Mary Pickett. Stole one of their vehicles. Mr. Pickett, he's pretty been out of shape about it, as you can imagine. Right now, I need you to head up to the Fisher residence. I want you to take Burton into custody. You might as well grab the kid's sister, too, while you're at it.
What do the Fishers got to do with any of this?
Well, I'm still crossing my T's and dotting my I's on that, Tommy, but,
이때 상관은 말도 안 되는 핑계를 대며 플린과 버턴을 범인으로 몰아세우고 그들을 체포하라 명령하는데요.
How's that sound, Buccaneer?
Like you just fucking made it up.
Trust me, son. It's gonna be a whole lot easier being honest with yourself. Takes a frightful amount of energy working to stay stone blind every fucking waking hour. Now, goddammit, you go get Burton.
No.
You don't have a choice, Tommy. You see that, right? So why don't we stop dicking around with one another, and you go fetch me Burton Fisher, along with that little sister.
불합리한 상관의 명령에 고민하던 토미는 아까 가져온 의문의 무기를 바라보며 무언가 결심합니다.
Mama's not answering.
Reese neither.
Reese, your mother is asking you to come as quickly as possible. Your mother?
Yeah, that's fucking weird. Can you link up with him?
이때 버터는 친구 리스가 죽었단 걸 알게 되고 황급히 차를 세우는데
What the fuck are you doing? Fuck. Why are we stopped?
Slow, smooth, smooth as fast. We need to get a read on the situation.
If we don't move now, Mama's gonna be next. You know that.
There's a killer in there, just set a trap. We rush in, we all die.
Burton.
This is the one fucking thing I'm good at, Flynn. So right now, I just need you to trust me to do it right.
Okay.
Take these, go that way around the car. You see the 3 heat cigs? And the colder one on the floor? That's Reese.
So got Dee Dee, your mama, and our target, which is a little too eeny, meeny, miny, mo for my taste.
He's probably the one on the right, but I'm not sure. We gotta get him to move.
See if you can link up with Reese again, triggers ANS.
Fuck that, Bert. You be connecting to a corpse.
Get the body to twitch and maybe the old man will think Reese is still alive. He'll try to finish him off and then we can tag him.
그렇게 미끼를 던지는 버튼.
It's him. He's moving. Execute.
Lights out.
잠시 후 코벨의 집.
She's a real wonderful woman, Corbell. I can't
Think I might have
imagine.
come up with a pretty good one, Sheriff. Want to run it by you? Let's say the old man came here, killed Mary, and Mr. Pickett there, he called the police. And you were first on the scene, Sheriff. Because even after 4 terms, you still take your job seriously, and we all appreciate that.
Tommy, what in the fuck do you think?
The old man was still here, armed with his .45. And when you drew your own weapon, Webb, he went and shot you.
All right, easy. You need to calm down, Tommy.
I'm already too calm, Sheriff. That's what's scaring me. It's like you said. Ain't got much of a choice now, do I?
Tommy, don't.
결국 토미는 플린과 버튼을 지키는 선택을 합니다.
Well, fuck me. I did not see that coming. Not by a mile. Now, that calm you're talking about, I think you need to lower your gun until it comes back, so we can talk this thing through. Come to an understanding here.
You don't really think that old man would have let you live, now do you?
What I don't think is that you have the necessary balls to pull this off on your own, young man. Or the bullets. The fuck's that supposed to be?
What's a doodad? You arrogant piece of shit.
한편 레프의 부하들은 플린의 뇌 속 박테리아를 조사하다 무언가를 알아내는데요.
I makes now me more other one.
It's one of the least.
Exili led. Auf wie loves their shoulder, Bruce Myers the war aus ist es. För mig kextetiv.
Is habit så sigi modayo. Jag ser för den.
Vis badsen så IgG nomneo.
Kvifumilo.
이때 이들의 대화를 엿듣던 레프가 조용히 나타납니다.
Run to Daddy's study. Fetch him a knife.
Which one?
Any will do. I'm in a bit of a quandary here. Part of me, naturally enough, wants to destroy both of you. But the part of me, with a cooler head, realizes how much I need you. A skill set, certainly.
My favorite.
Oh, and it's a beauty, my boy.
May I watch, Daddy?
I think not. Run on to the kitchen. Nanny's made pudding.
Very sorry, sir.
Shut up, Ossian.
Tell what you're up to, or kill him. You have 10 seconds.
Alita thought she was working with the Pope's brother. She planned to download the stolen RI files into Taptic implants. Except for the fact it was the sister piloting the peripheral. And the girl doesn't have implants. So her headset translated the data into bacterial DNA. Begun to colonize her brain.
쉽게 말해 아엘리타가 훔친 데이터가 플린의 눈을 타고 뇌 속으로 저장됐다는 건데요.
What were you hoping to do with that data?
Sell it to the highest bidder.
I don't believe you.
Give it to the Neo Prince.
Why in the fucking hell would you want to do that?
So they can burn this world down. And build a new one in its place.
You're a fool. But I do admire the rest of your plan. If you try to double-cross me again and feed you to my little beauties, let's proceed, shall we?
한편 로비어는 시리스가 다시 청부업자를 불러 버턴의 친구를 살해했다는 것을 알곤 플린을 만나 얘기를 나눕니다.
If Dr. Newland has her way, your friend won't be the last. I assume you'd like to stop her.
Yeah, of course.
I'd like to propose an alliance. I have resources that could prove quite empowering to you in your world. And it appears you have the capacity to act in mine in ways that might be beyond me, considering the factors at play here, which I've only just become cognizant of.
What do you mean?
You have much more than Charisse Newland to deal with, as daunting as the good doctor undoubtedly is. Your world is on a threshold of its own jackpot. I believe, in my own way, I can help you navigate the coming storm. If we're coming towards an agreement, now might be the ideal moment for you to issue any ultimatums or demands you might have.
My mama. She's blind again. And sick. I need you to heal her. Like you promised you'd do at the start of this whole thing.
I'm very sorry. It appears Mr. Zubov's technicals have already attempted everything possible.
What, so you can't help her?
I'm afraid not. The auntie's best estimate is your mother has another 554 hours to live. Approximately 23 days.
플린은 자신의 시간에서 곧 잭팟이 일어나고 동시에 어머니가 죽을 것이라는 소식에 충격을 받는데요.
They promised us, Burton.
그날 밤
I know you're sad, Flynn. And I found myself thinking, well, maybe it's not all bad. Maybe Flynn will really get to live her life now. You've been keeping us all afloat for a long time now. And it made me sort of excited to think on it.
사실을 들은 어머니는 오히려 플린을 위로합니다.
Where are you off to?
I think your pills are kicking in, Mama. I was just gonna let you rest.
한편 레프의 만행을 견디다 못한 부하가 시리스를 찾아갑니다.
The data Alita West stole. I know where it is and how to get it. It's in Flynn Fisher's brain. Lev Zubov knows this. So the Klept will soon have everything Alita stole. I don't want to live in that world, Doctor.
Okay, what Inspector Lubia
Clearly has her own agenda. I don't know what it is, but you can't depend on her to fix it. You have to stop him. Can you?
But it will require a drastic step. How much time do I have?
Very little.
I suppose you'll be expecting a reward for bearing me these ill tidings.
I want you to kill him.
Who?
Zubov.
May I ask why?
A breach of etiquette.
Well, it's not so easy what you ask, given his Klept status. To assist in the endeavor.
I would. With pleasure.
Excellent. I'll be in touch.
Your drastic step. What is it?
The jackpot. I'll push it to the next level. Thus removing the girl from the equation altogether. Along with her hometown family, the whole benighted region.
그 시각 플린은 다시 접속해 윌프와 만나는데요.
How's your mother?
Dying?
I'm sorry, Flynn. I presented a possibility as a certainty. To get you to do our bidding.
You think we can still find your sister?
She's dead. Can't see any way around it.
Wilf. I'm sorry, Wilf.
I keep feeling like I'm missing something obvious. That I'm just too close to see it.
이때 윌프는 어렸을 적 아엘리타와 수용소라는 곳에 있었는데 그곳에 있었을 때 행복했었다고 말합니다.
Alone. Christ. I'm such a fool.
그렇게 윌프는 혹시 하는 마음의 수용소가 있던 곳을 찾아가 보는데요.
You sure this is where it is?
But it wasn't like this. It was forest, trees as far as you can see.
기능을 사용하자 사람들이 사라지고 아엘리타만이 남습니다.
What took you so long, Wolf?
No more games, Alita. Where are you?
Follow me. But not her.
No, she's the heart of this. She's coming.
Eyes and ears, Wolf. She shares hers with others. Isn't that right, Ash? She can leave of her own accord, or I can send her myself. Your choice.
Go home. I'll tell you everything. I give you my word.
잠시 후 어딘가로 향하는 아엘리타.
Look familiar? This is where the camp was. You don't remember, do you?
I was too young.
이때 아엘리타의 페리페럴이 멈추고 진짜 아엘리타가 등장합니다.
The reason you don't remember is because you're not supposed to.
Alita.
Our implants, turns out they're other complex devices. The one thing that they do best is suppress memory.
Everyone knows that. They blunt trauma.
What did you want to know what happened when I ripped out mine?
You lost your immunity boost, among other things, which I suspect you'll soon come to regret.
No, I started to remember things. Everything. There's bodies here. Under this beautiful green turf, thousands and thousands of bodies. Your mother's here, and your sisters, and your little brother. And you'd remember them if you'd just cut yourself free. My family too. All slaughtered. Do you want to know who killed our families, Wolf? The Klept. Your mate Lev's father. And his sort. Because they were running things by then. There was contagion in the camps, and they wiped us all out for fear of it. And not just here, all over England. It was a little coordinated effort, 5 million people in under a fortnight. Now that's quite an achievement, isn't it? Don't you think?
그리고 클랩튼은 이식장치를 심어 이러한 기억을 억제하고 있었던 건데요.
I'm gathering them. A little army of the dispossessed, you know, render justice.
What could you possibly plan to accomplish with this rabble? Shatter a few windows? I'm sure the Klept and the RI will be terrified.
All we need are the proper tools.
Which are?
The secrets to every wonder that the RI have ever built. The affinity in the palm of your hand.
And where would you possibly get that?
Inside the girl's head.
그 시각 집으로 돌아가던 플린은 기다리던 토미를 만납니다.
I heard about that train crash, Tommy.
That's not why I'm here. Look, I know you've been keeping secrets, Flynn.
Tommy.
Ain't no need to give me a line. I get it. I got a phone call from Homeland Security. I need to know if you know anything about it.
What is it?
They say they're planning to blow up a missile silo. And you know there's that new Air Force silo down towards Spring Creek? Flynn, if you know anything about this...
I don't. I gotta go, Tommy.
생각보다 잭팟이 빨리 이루어질 수도 있겠다는 두려움에 플린은 다시 접속합니다.
Ash. Ash.
Why are you back?
That silo explosion? The one we saw in the Jackpot Museum. Sharice is trying to make it happen in my timeline. I'm sure of it. You already knew? What the fuck have you done, Ash?
The data you and Alita stole from the RI, it's stored in DNA.
It's the shit in my head, isn't it? The reason I've been having these fucking seizures. What is it?
The entire library, I suspect. Enough to wreak havoc in your world and mine. You have to understand, if the Klep got hold of it... I told Charisse Newland. I had to.
And now she's gonna vaporize my entire fucking state. Just to make sure that Lev doesn't get his hands on the data. My life. My family. Everyone that I love. It's just a fucking game to you, isn't it?
Where are you going?
I'm gonna win.
잠시 후 풀리는 버튼에 친구 코너를 불러내는데요.
This is the real London.
Why are we here?
So we can talk. Charisse Newland. She's planning on blowing up that silo over in Spring Creek. Wiping all of us out just to make sure that I'm dead. So I came up with an idea. To open up a new stub.
You saying what I think you are. You want a reboot. Like in a Sam.
It could save us, Connor. But I'm gonna need your help. And Lobeer's too. It's a black hole. In a sim, you can get to a level where no matter what you do, you end up dying over and over. Because you made some mistake earlier in the game without even realizing it. You're trapped.
I'm sorry, my dear. I wish it hadn't come to this.
When we first met, I asked you if you had the power to sever the connection to my stub. Do you?
No.
What about opening a new one?
I'm afraid the delicate balance of power that governs this world would make such a step on my part an outright declaration of war. But I am aware of how one might do it.
I need you to open a new stub.
If I understand this correctly, you're proposing a rather radical plan.
Charisse will think she won. And that you helped her do it. We'd have access to all the data that Alita stole. Which would save my world from the jackpot.
You do realize how daunting the odds are. Perhaps an ally might benefit you. Your brother, for instance.
Vertin can't know. If he finds out, he's never gonna let me go through with it, okay? Connor said that he'd help.
Are you absolutely certain?
Yeah.
결심을 굳힌 플린에게 로비어는 시리스가 관리하는 스톱 포털이라는 장소를 알려줍니다.
The peripherals guarding the facility will be just as strong as you are.
Send me to one. I've arrived.
이때 장치를 지키는 가드들이 등장합니다. 가드들을 모두 제압하고 풀리는 스톱 포털을 작동시키는데요.
You really think you could escape me so easily?
You have a bad habit of taking control of dying things, Charisse.
But you have no idea who you're putting into peril.
They're all here, aren't they? All these other lives. And all I gotta do is choose where I want to begin.
Wait! I will find you. I give you my word.
Oh, I wouldn't be so sure, Charisse. I think I want to be the hunter now. You see, I know exactly where you are. And you have no idea where I'm gonna be. Not without the coordinates.
그렇게 모든 준비를 끝낸 플린은 코너와의 대화를 회상합니다.
You ain't what I think you are.
You could save us, Connor. But I'm gonna need your help. And Lobear's too. If I can pull it off, there'll be whole new versions of us there. Ones that Charisse will have nothing to do with. We'd be safe there.
But dead. In our own world.
Unless I'm already gone. And she'd have no reason to blow up that silo.
마지막으로 플린은 자신을 희생함으로써 시리스가 사일로를 터뜨리는 계기 자체를 없애버리려 하는데요.
You understand what I'm asking you, Connor?
Yeah. I get it. What about this world? We done with it.
No, we'll be back.
Why?
Because I'm gonna kill that bitch.
Yeah.
I know it's a lot, Connor. But if it helps any, I've made peace with it. I'll just take a walk out past Hawthorne Creek. And I'll count back from 10 in my head.
잠시 후 현실로 돌아온 그녀는 약속대로 코너가 쏠 수 있는 곳에 자리를 잡습니다.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Shall we get to work?
이렇게 시리스를 사냥하기 위해 움직이는 플린의 모습으로 드라마 페리페럴은 막을 내립니다.